Hello everyone, my name is Olga and today I want to share with you a little bit more about a project that is very close to my heart, my documentary called Romania Step by Step. Romania Step by Step is an adventure documentary, my first documentary, in which I will travel to Romania to explore these questions of what makes home home. I was born in Romania and I moved to France when I was 2 years old. And I love to say that I grew up between mămăligă and baguette. And because of that, I was always surprised to see how much Romania was first not so known for some people. They couldn't put it into the map of the world, or they have some misconception.
I am Dracula.
At the beginning, this is what I wanted to talk about, showing the variety, showing the beauty of both the natural and cultural heritage of Romania. The more I was thinking about the why I wanted to show all these different aspects, the more I realized that it was related to the topic of home, the topic of belonging, and more particularly, what makes home home. I realized that due to my particular story as a third culture individual, so for those who are not familiar with this, it means people who are born or grew up or spend a significant part of their childhood in a culture that is different from the ones of their parents. They develop some questions related to their own identity because they might not feel totally belonging into one part or another, and as a result, where do they belong? And so this deep question has been nurturing my reflection for the last couple of months now. What makes home home is never related to a geographical place, a particular place in the world, but it's more about the process of coming home to yourself. And this is what I want to explore in this documentary. That's why I am saying that I embark into this self-reflective journey to knowing more about myself, and that's why it's so important, the journey, and not so much the goal. Well, even if I want to create, of course, this first documentary, I'm very excited to share with you this adventure on live. With that, I hope to show you the magnificent and the diversity of both natural and cultural heritage of Romania, and I want to meet people that can show me their own definition of coming home to themselves. Production will happen in autumn 2022. Well, of course, if there is not another pandemic, if there is not a war, and of course, as it is a documentary, it is not scripted. As a result, maybe when you will see my documentary, there will be a totally different outcome. And as it was for all this pre-production journey, I am really looking forward to see what the production will bring as new lessons, as new surprises, as new learnings, as new disappointments, and presenting you that hopefully in March 2023. Please comment below. Are you working on a documentary? If you are, what is the topic of your documentary? I would love to connect with filmmakers, documentary filmmakers, and I love to watch all kinds of documentaries, so please don't hesitate. I would love also, if you are not working on a documentary, but you would love to get involved in the project Romania Step by Step, please let me know also in the comments or send me an email. Or if you want to see something particular in Romania Step by Step, please let me know. It can be such an amazing inspiration to add on the documentary, and hopefully I will embark you in this journey in Romania through this YouTube channel. So I'm always up to nurture this relationship with you. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye. My name is Olga. No other big things that you couldn't imagine. I can't anymore. Thank you so much. I hope it's okay. Oops. Okay.